So we are back with a little bit of an update. I've come up with this so far for the homemade disc sander. I've got that board mounted. Well, it's not mounted, it's just sitting there, but it will be mounted. I've got that board placed there, so that'll increase the stability of the stand, makes the whole thing look 10 times better. And then if you come over to the back, I've cut a piece of thin sheet metal that I had. It's actually the cover from an old microwave that I kept because I wanted the thin piece of metal. I just used some tin snips, and there's the other half of it. I just cut it down to center. So yeah, I think that's looking really well. You can see it's got a little bit of an air gap there, and then there's the controller. I've already drilled holes for it. Pretty much all that's left to do is attach the sheet metal to the stand, attach that timber to the stand, and then make a little table for everything to sit on so I can sand. And then lucky last, actually attach the sandpaper. But for being homemade, I think it's going to come out really, really well. I've just been doing little odd bits and pieces here and there, kind of off camera, but I'll update everyone as I go. But yeah, really happy with how the sheet metal stand, or sorry, shield, turned out.